Hey everyone, let's make spinach and feta frittata. Start by chopping up half of the brown onion. Next, in a big bowl, add the eggs, salt and pepper, and give them a good whisk. Heat olive oil in an oven-proof skillet. Toss in the diced brown onion, spinach, and cook until they are beautifully wilted. Now, add the egg mixture to the skillet and sprinkle with some delightful Happy Valley feta cheese on top. Pop the skillet into the oven and let it bake for around 10 minutes until our frittata is perfectly set. Enjoy!